guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kelly, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video is going to be like super chill. I kind of did this impromptu. I am making a new recipe tonight. So we are making sweet and spicy pineapple pizza from the Half-Baked Harvest super simple cookbook. Super excited about this. It's really easy and we're just gonna hop right into it. I, again, haven't made this before, but I have used this pizza crust mix. Now, Mama Stone's is probably one of my favorite baking mixes. They're the best brand. They're gluten-free, wheat-free. They have like a bunch of corn-free, egg-free, dairy-free, nut-free, all the allergies. This is for you. And everything comes out so good every time. So I'm gonna be using their pizza crust mixed for this recipe. So we're gonna hop in and make this first. So on the back, it says that you need to heat 1 1/4 cup of milk for 1 minute and 10 seconds and then microwave. So I'm gonna grab that. And with like pizza crusts and things like that, I like to use whole milk. I think it gives it the best like flavor and texture. And make sure you smell your milk, because I've had it before where it smells terrible and then everything is ruined. So we're gonna do 1 1/4. Again, this is gonna be one of those videos where it's like not very structured. I'm just gonna kind of chit chat with you guys while I make this stuff. This recipe is one, so I've actually used a lot of recipes from the Half-Baked Harvest cookbook before. They've all turned out amazing. I'm actually making like 3 from it this week. So I'm really excited. I've made a lot and it always turns out really good and they're always super easy. So I'm excited. That was very aggressive on here, but whatever. It also tells you on here like you can make your own pizza crust, but I'm not doing that, clearly. I'm using a box mix. This is like from scratch, but this box mix, it's where it's at. I'm telling you, it's where it's at. Okay, so we have our milk warmed up. Now you're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of honey. And this is like a game changer in this thing. Oh my gosh. I used all of my stuff for my last video, so I have to find a tablespoon. This is gonna have to be like an eyeball tablespoon because nothing is clean. So that's an issue. That's fine. Whatever. We're gonna do the quick rising yeast first. It says the honey, but I don't want to use another spoon. So I have my yeast packets here. I honestly don't know if this is good or not when you already open yeast and then you use it again. Could be a problem, but we're gonna go with it. I also ruined my kitchen scissors because I propagated my fiddle leaf fig tree and I used my kitchen shears because I didn't have planters stuff. So I kind of shot myself in the foot with that. Honey goes in next. Tablespoon of that. Okay, now this is gonna stand for 5 minutes. And during that 5 minutes, we are going to prep the rest of it. So this is like super fine. This mix is so fine. So it's really not gritty, and Mama Stone's is all about not being gritty. We're just gonna pop it into my KitchenAid. It smells so good. They already have like Italian seasonings in it. It smells amazing. 1.5 tablespoons of softened butter, 2 egg whites, and it says 2 teaspoons of Parmesan cheese, but I'm gonna forego that portion of it because this is not so much like an Italian pizza, so I don't think I'm gonna do Parmesan. Now I'm gonna split the dough into 2 pizzas, and I'm gonna do that because I've made this before and I made the mistake of making it too thick, and then it took forever to bake. So little tip, split it in half, and then make 2 pizzas. Smaller, thinner, it works just fine. It's honestly such good crust. So splitting it into 2 so you have like 2 personal pan pizzas, it's gonna be perfect for this recipe. Now I'm a little bit nervous for this recipe too because it says it's spicy, and I'm interested because it's chipotle salsa. You use basil, cheese, pineapple chunks, pecorino cheese. I'm just gonna use Parmesan cheese. It says baby arugula and I didn't get that. That's fine. We'll work with it. Okay, we're gonna put the yeast mixture into our KitchenAid. The smell of yeast is like the best thing in the world. It smells so good. Like fresh bread. Okay, so this is gonna go in, what does it say? Mix all ingredients until well blended, then increase the speed for 3 minutes. So we're gonna do that. All right, so that's what we're working with right now. So the dough will be sticky. It's like makes it a point to say that the dough will be sticky, and you have to like use water on your hands to be able to spread it out. So keep that in mind as well. I don't have pizza pans, so I'm gonna be using just aluminum foil covered normal like cookie sheets. You want to spray it really good with olive oil. So like I said, I'm gonna make 2 little personal pan pizzas. Oh my God, can you be quiet, please? So I'm just separating the 2 onto 2 different sheets. So you want to wet your hands and then you're gonna spread it out. Wetting your hands allows it to not stick to you. And this crust is so good, like so good. I love all of their products. I'm gonna link their website down below. Check them out. Highly, highly recommend. Okay, so now I wanna show you guys what this pizza is supposed to look like. So it's supposed to look like this. So delicious, are you kidding? So hopefully mine will look that good, but I don't have the arugula. That makes me very sad. So we're gonna pop open. I have the Sprouts Organic Chipotle Salsa. It says medium heat. I'm a baby when it comes to heat, so that makes me nervous. But we're trying new things. Little tip, if you can't open a jar by yourself, hit it with a butter knife. And it's supposed to work. Hopefully this does. Oh my gosh. Haha. We're good, we're good. Okay, so you're gonna layer it. Let's smell if it smells hot. That smells so good. Okay, so spread the chipotle salsa all over the dough. Okay, so we have our base layer. Then sprinkle on the cilantro. We're not doing cilantro. Basil, we're doing basil though. No! Oh my God. I have to show you what just happened. So, this just happened. Are you kidding? I have to use that for another recipe this week. Oh no. Okay, so now that I fixed the basil debacle, we're going to layer with cheese, then the cilantro, not cilantro, basil. Oh my gosh. So you're going to do, okay, so you're gonna do the basil next. Sprinkle it, sprinkle it. I have no idea how this is gonna taste because it's cilantro or basil. Whatever. Should be good. Pizza's good with basil. I love basil. If I could put basil in everything, I would. The smell of it alone is like one of my absolute favorite things in the world. Caprese salad is one of my favorite things. By far one of my favorite things. Okay, it says put cheese on it. So we're gonna layer, it says fontina. I don't have fontina. I'm just doing mozzarella, like normal. I honestly don't know the difference. I think fontina is more of like a stinky cheese. I could be wrong. Don't correct me. I feel like if there's any spiciness, the cheese will like dial it back a little bit. I hope. Now I'm gonna bake this for like 20 minutes because the crust has to bake for that amount of time. So while I bake it, I'm gonna jump in the shower because I worked out before filming this. And then I'll meet you guys back here when it's out. I'll be in my pajamas by that time. That's okay. This is one of those spontaneous vlogs. It's 7:40 at night, so I'm running behind schedule on what I normally would do for dinners. So now we're putting some pineapple. I cut it like thinly, so it's not like huge chunks. But I'm just gonna gently. I don't know what I'm saying at this point. Just gonna dust it over the pizza. Okay. So 10 to 20 minutes. We can do that. I'm gonna pop them both in the oven. I'm gonna show you guys first what it looks like. Pop it in the oven, hop in the shower, and meet you guys back here. This is what the pizza is looking like. Just came out of the oven. Looks super, super yummy. I'm going to eat this, let you guys know what it tastes like, and I'll check back in. Okay guys, we just finished eating the pizza. It was a little bit spicy for my taste, but it was super good. I mean, I would definitely recommend it if you like spicy food. I just am not the biggest fan of spice. So make sure you check it out. I think it might be on her website, the Half Baked Harvest website. So if it is, I'm gonna link it down below. It's pretty good. And make sure that you're gonna check out Mama Stone's. Also awesome. Rest of the night is just gonna be kind of just chilling. We have Who's Line on HBO Max. I think I'm gonna make the mug lava cake that I made for my last video. If you haven't checked that out, it is, I recreated or tried out viral TikTok recipes. So go ahead and check that out. I'll link that down below for you guys. Make sure you're subscribing down below as well. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers, almost there. Hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.